Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Circle Lounge's Isolation Creations. I'm Nate, and if you'll have noticed, I'm not at Circle Lounge, obviously due to a lockdown, but here I am in my home bar. So today I'm going to be doing something a bit different to what Will and Matt have been doing. Well, they've been talking you through how to make cocktails. I'm going to talk you through how to make your own homemade gin. So I've been doing my own gins for about a year now. Some have been successful, some have not. But my favourite one to do is a salted caramel gin. So all you need for this is a bottle of standard vodka. So it can be Smirnoff, it could be Absolute, or it could be like an own brand at supermarkets. You'll need caramel syrup. So morning you can usually pick these up for a few quid. Supermarkets, 20 juniper berries and some salt. So the equipment you'll need in this as well is literally just a jar that is sealable. So it could be a big mason jar, could be one of these. So this recipe of mine, it takes just over a week to complete because the vodka needs to distill with the juniper berries. So what you need to do, you need to put the vodka into your jar. It goes into there. You can pop that aside and use it later. Then you just need 20 juniper berries in here. Make sure they're all out. So you leave that for a week for the juniper berries to infuse with the vodka, and you want to give it a stir every few days. And we'll come back to this in about a week's time, so see you then.
1 week later.
So here we are, it's been a week. The vodka has now turned into gin thanks to the juniper berries. The next step in this process is you want to get a jug, get this, and you want to get a sieve. Just place that over the top. Tell this is going to go wrong. You want to filter out all the juniper berries. You want to pour this back into your container. So what you have now is standard gin, but what I'm going to be doing is making a salted caramel gin. So I'm going to use a bit of morning syrup. I'm going to use about 50 ml of this. So get all that in there. You want to use salt, and I've forgotten the salt, so please hold. Back. So yeah, we'll do a nice helping of salt. You want to give it a bit of a good stir. I recommend using a spoon. I forgot to set that, so I'm just using my bar knife. And you will put that back on. You want to leave that for about 24 hours for it all to infuse. Give it a bit of a shake so it infuses a bit more. But come 24 hours time, you'll have your own salted caramel gin. Right, so if you're not wanting to make a salted caramel gin, you can do other flavours. So if you're wanting like a strawberry gin or raspberry gin, all you have to do is put those fruits all chopped up into there with them for I'd say about 2 days for them to infuse. You want to give them a good stir as well, but when you come to actually drinking the gin, filter it again a couple of times just to get all the bits and pieces out. But then you'll have your own flavoured gin, so we'll come back in about 24 hours and we'll see what it tastes like.
24 hours later.
Right, so it's been 24 hours now, so the syrup and the salt have had time to infuse with the homemade gin. So now it's just down to enjoying it. So I'm just going to pour 50 ml out. That's drop out. Then with this gin, I recommend using lemonade because it complements it well, and I'm not a massive fan of tonic, so there we are. Homemade salted caramel gin. Right. Cheers, Niall. Please stay safe, everyone. Stay at home, wash your hands, look after the NHS. Enjoy your cocktails.